Hi everyone, this is Ritika Kanochia and you are watching TVC Media and Promotion. Today we are in a conversation with Debab Pratap Ghosh. He is a Vice President and Head of Sales and Marketing in Earlycon. Hello sir. What are the new innovation you are introducing in this exhibition that is Tech Textile 2025 and what makes it different from others?
Yeah, we have several innovations in the non-oven sector, in the well-born, in the span-born that we are introducing in the technical textiles. We have also some developments in the components of the spinning, new generation spin pack for the IDY spinning, and we also have several developments in the recycling from textile to textile as well as from the paid bottles to textile, so that we are showing in the textile.
Which segment of the textile or technical textile market do you see growing the fastest?
In say in India, we can see that a lot of the requirement for high quality yarn is coming for the defense applications, for automotive applications, for geotextiles, as well as there are a lot of demands for high-end application of non-ovens. This is all coming.
What new opportunities do you think companies must focus on to stay competitive globally?
Yes, to reduce the operating cost. That is the major criteria to become competitive.
What do you think India is facing challenges in technical textile today?
The biggest challenge for India is our production capacity of spinning is only 2% of the production capacity of China. So we have to increase our spinning capacity of IDY yarn significantly in India.
What is the biggest shift you are noticing in customer demand in 2025?
Customers have become very quality conscious. They are asking highest quality input material, and also everybody is trying to produce the best quality as an import substitute, because India wants to be more self-dependent, no longer dependent on import.
How do you view the government's role in supporting technical textile?
Government is giving very good support, whether it is PLI or subsidy, and this type of subsidy schemes are only in India, and the best in the world government is giving for India, to the Indian manufacturing to develop it.
How customer can identify the real product or like in the market there are duplicate products also. The customers are demanding how we can rectify or identify the real product. Do you want to say something in that term?
It's testing. There are a lot of textile testing labs available. So these testing labs can easily identify whether the product is genuine or not.
Do you want to say something to your viewers and customers who have missed this Tech Textile 2025?
It's a great show. Very interesting to interact with a lot of machines up there, customers, and to get an overview of what is happening in the world and what is going to also happen in the next 5 to 10 years.
Thank you, sir. Thank you so much for your precious work.
Thank you.